Hey guys, this is Vishal Kapoor, your friend in real estate, and welcome to Wish for Your Home show. Well, year has ended, new year has started. Let's review some real estate numbers for December 2019 as well as year 2019. So without further ado, let's give you the preview, what the numbers are, and we can share what's happened in the market. So according to Toronto Real Estate Board, uh, December 2019 residential sales reported through TREB MLS system by Greater Toronto Realtor were up by 17.4% year over year to 4,399. Total sales for calendar year 2019 amounted to 87,825, up by 12.6% compared to the decade low 78,015 sales reported in 2018. 2018 was the lowest year of a decade. On an annual basis, 2019 sales were in line with the median annual sales result for the past decade. So we certainly saw a recovery in sales activity in 2019, particularly in the second half of the year. As anticipated, many home buyers who were initially on the sidelines moved back into the marketplace starting in the spring. Buyer confidence was buoyed by a strong regional economy and declining contract mortgage rates over the course of the year. And the biggest segment which happened is again, we call it entry-level houses, is between $600,000 to $800,000 houses. Like that's where we're seeing the very less inventory and products moving pretty fast. While in the upper hand, on the above $1 million, above $1.5 million, it's taking longer to sell. So that's what the segment always like the entry level, but the entry level housing prices average sale price has gone up, right? While sales were up in 2019, the number of new listings enter into MLS system was down by 2.4% year over year. For the past decade, annual new listings have been largely in a holding pattern between 150,000 to 160,000, despite the upward trend in the home prices over the same period. So over the last 10 years, TREB has been drawing attention to the housing supply in the GTA, and I totally agree with that. That's where I think there was not enough supply, right? And that's what pushing people. They cannot afford their houses, like the higher end one, the lower end one, we don't have enough supply. So increasingly, policymakers, research group of varying scope, and other interested parties have acknowledged that as well, that a lack of diverse supply of ownership and rental housing continues to hamper housing affordability in the GTA. Taking 2019 as an example, we experienced strong sales increase up against a decline in supply. Tighter market conditions translated into accelerating price growth, expect further acceleration in 2020 if there is no relief on the supply front. And why the supply front gone down? The other scenario, it happens because people not able to afford the houses. What happened is they started renting. And if you look into the rental market got increased big time. I believe there's a between 12 to 13% increase happened in the rental market itself. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark was up by 7.3% on a year-over-year basis. In December 2019, from June 2019 onward, the annual growth rate on the MLS HPI composite benchmark accelerated. The average selling price in December 2019 was $837,788, up almost 12% year over year. For calendar year 2019, the average selling price was $819,319, up by 4% compared to $787,856 in 2018. So that we talk about the GTA as a whole. And I work mostly in Oakville, and Oakville is my farm area, but Oakville and surrounding. So it's a hometown, so I'll take care of Oakville, but also have the reports available and analysis available for the other cities like Burlington, Milton, Toronto, particular area looking to your particular neighborhood, Mississauga, particular neighborhood you're looking for. I have the report available, and you can reach out to me. So let's look into Oakville numbers, like what Oakville, how Oakville did. So in Oakville, that we have firm sales of 151, which is down minus 1.31%. Not that bad. Like in the December, is always slow. But in total, we have the firm sales was 3,376 plus 2.93% increase in firm sales. New listing wise, we've seen a big decline because that's enough supply, minus 14.71%, and that's you see in the firm sales as well, because not enough supply, not many choices, right? And percentage change in the year over year, it's minus 3.6%. Average sales price, while is minus 3.47% in December, in year over year, it's got minus 0.91%. So average asking price, again, gone 25.48%, and annually it's got 6.98%. Days on the market until sale was down minus 19.57% compared to last year, even in December. And percentage change year over year, we reduced to like the 1 day compared to 30 days in 2018. Average ask to sell ratio is 0.39% year over year. In December, it was 0.973 as well. So it's aligned with the same. So what's happening in 2020 and what you can expect in 2020? There's a lot of things going on in the market. Global uncertainty is the one, like soon we hear the Iran dispute going on, there's a China dispute going on. But regardless of that, like the Canadian economy is doing pretty well. We have influx of immigrants coming over here, people with coming money. So there's always going to be a demand, and that's what's happening. That's what's holding in big time the Canadian economy as well. Why in trade sector, we have seen a little bit slow down, but things are happening in for example, like in the natural gases and everything. If it work out, that'll be great as well. So some people saying that recession is already here and they can slow down, but also it's looking to how much spending happened in retail this year. And I was out there in the mall and see people purchasing everything is free. So I don't see that as a recession is happening right away. Canada always been strong, and the banking system is pretty strong, and they can hold off to that. 2020 is going to be an interesting year. Price is still going to go up because until the supply issues get resolved, it's hard to get price control. They've been thinking of checking on the stress test and what they can do. So that will affect as well. Hope 2020 year is going to be a fantastic year. Wishing you the same. And if you have any question regarding buying, selling, or even just the consultation you need for renovations or something, you can always reach out to me. My name is Vishal Kapoor, your friend in real estate. Keep watching Wish for Your Home Show.